Hi, I'm Michiel from Chaos Group and I am part of the team that develops V-Ray for Softimage. Today I will be giving you an early preview of a feature that we have been developing for V-Ray for Softimage. The feature is V-Ray RT. V-Ray RT has two types of rendering engines, the CPU and the GPU rendering engines. Let's see how the CPU renders first. RT is different from the incremental export we already have in Softimage in the way that we not only cache the geometry, but we cache all the scene data V-Ray needs to render the image. And for instance, if we only need to change the camera, V-Ray will keep all of this data, so export times will be practically zero. As you can see, updates happen instantaneously. Okay, so this is quite fast, but let's see how the GPU renders the same scene. The scene is about 1.5 million polygons, and I'm running GeForce GTX 770 GPU. Again, we will have to send all of the scene data to the GPU. So the first render is a bit slow, but once the first render is complete, all the changes to the scene will be applied quite fast. Besides changing the camera position, we can also change the lights or materials with practically zero export time. So let's change the lighting setup. What we have here is a studio setup with an HDR. We're going to change the HDR into a more natural environment. Okay, as you can see, the whole lighting is changed, but V-Ray needs only a few seconds to re-render the whole image. Only after a few seconds we'll get a practically noise-free image on this scene. Changing the geometry is a bit slower than changing the camera position, but the good thing is that if we only change something on the scene, like moving the door, V-Ray will need to re-export only what's changed. So as you can see, updates of this type are also quite fast. RT is really useful for artists that want to make small changes to the scene, for instance tweaking materials or lighting, or maybe rearranging some objects in the scene, because the updates happen really fast and you can make a lot of changes. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching.